Welcome to Ninh Binh, ladies and gentlemen. It's a captivating destination in northern Vietnam, where history, culture, and breathtaking natural beauty come all together. This hidden gem offers a unique blend of experiences, from exploring ancient sites to immersing yourself in tranquil landscapes. Whether you're a history enthusiast or a nature lover, or simply seeking a peaceful landscape, Ninh Binh has something for everyone. Let me take you on a journey through three of these most iconic landscapes, each with its own history to tell and beauty to behold. Our first stop is the temple of Emperor Dinh Tien Huang. Nested within the lush surroundings of Hoa Lu, Vietnam's ancient capital, this temple stands as a tribute to Emperor Dinh Tien Huang, the founder of Dinh dynasty, who played a pivotal role in unifying the country. The temple's gates, adorned with intricate carvings and traditional designs, welcome you into a realm of history and reverence. As you step inside, you'll find a harmony of architecture and spirituality, with serene courtyards and altars that honor the emperor's legacy. The detailed carvings on its walls depict scenes of history and folklore, offering a glimpse into the artistry and craftsmanship of the era. Walking through this sacred site, you can almost hear the echoes of Vietnam's rich and challenging past, making the temple not just a monument but a profound connection to the nation's heritage and resilience. Next, we continue our journey to Di San Trang An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a paradise for nature lovers. Known as a Halong Bay on land, Trang An is a preserved landscape. It is a natural masterpiece, actually. Imagine a vast expanse of emerald green waterways flowing through a maze of towering limestone mountains, each peak covered in a mystery. This enchanting area is a heaven for exploration, offering a unique way to connect with nature. As you glide along the tranquil rivers on a traditional sampan boat, you'll uncover hidden caves with natural sculptures. These caves, each with their own unique formations and stories, feel like portals to another world. Along the way, you'll encounter ancient temples that rise gracefully in the middle of wild nature. Their quiet presence adding a touch of spirituality to the journey, that's for sure. Each turn in the river reveals a new vista point. Each moment feels like stepping into a dream, guys. This serene beauty of Trang An is a reminder of the harmony that exists between nature and humanity. If you're looking for a nature paradise, Trang An is a place to visit. Finally, we ascend to Lion Dragon Mountain. The path to its summit is a journey of both effort and reward. With 500 carved stone steps leading you toward the heavens, each step brings you closer to a panoramic view that will take your breath away. Along the way up, the natural beauty of the surroundings creates a perfect backdrop for reflection and wonder. Reaching the top is like standing on the edge of the world, guys, with this sweeping view of Ninh Bing's iconic rice paddies stretching out like a blanket, mixed with winding rivers and dramatic limestone peaks. Dragon Mountain, named after a mythical guardian dragon which keeps this area and its people safe. Standing at this high point, you can feel a profound connection to the timeless essence of the land. It's a place where the beauty of nature meets the power of a legend. This place definitely leaving like a mark on your soul. Very beautiful place to visit, guys, especially during summertime. So if you're gonna be in Vietnam, come check it out. Ninh Binh is a destination that touches the soul, blending history, spirituality, and natural wonder. Whether you're exploring ancient temples and history, or drifting through serene waters surrounded by inspiring scenery, or climbing to breathtaking heights that offer unparalleled views, every moment here is extraordinary. This is a place where the past meets the present, where every corner holds a story, and where every experience creates a memory to cherish forever. Well, ladies and gentlemen, at this very moment I want to say thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your time. I hope you really enjoyed this video from Ninh Binh, Vietnam. Please don't forget to like it and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later, guys. Have a nice one. Bye bye.